أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين السلام عليكم بعد غامبيان كول مبدي امنا بي ديماسو مي كارو اتليتا 2026. Today is on the 10th of May 2026. Bi dimanche le 10 mai 2026. Alnal badi malen baykla al mawrus a jamaat babil man sitaru. Assalamu alaikum. Folo bolo jani meddi amna benna keba kontona chef professeur alhaji yaya ejeje jamme babil man sa ani enjoy silla mbal kontu telo mbal tentula mbal teyla ani ya fay tamba fana mbal kontona kaka honorable sidi sanya anana diaspora me mol be mbal jela mbal tella kala hawa sanya ka foli ka fu benna mol fana kontona sanku kasama be omar mambure kontona ani meroni ajababu siribe mbe lanin ko ma fana kontona bake wasu mbal jayla mbal tentula mbe abibu sek fana kontona ani mbari ma prof bati mbal jayla mbal tentula Allah lo nyani nyata dunia mu kacalati mbe mer bañul fana kontona ilo nyani nyata be tata alama ala kanta ñoo bore ye ngana nga diamu concerning TRRC barin gambianol fo alman la na kumola bang wulu bolem alkal fane batandi alaka ngani wala jo atole nyim bangota fani ala kan aliata sacrifice la kan alfangole yolone wallahi azim aliyalone ale bangota alman bangota ni sila kenol momo en soso e faale be la riba si sokan finti e kali ya alquran o muta adu mu fania molleti ale nyim banko be tinya alman banko sambano lungolum be mo faala lungolu harama be lala lungolu niyo be kasara itaje la police cannot make any investigation pour you learn the outcome of the case ya jemela kilo jang abu block jam fula boy ala musofa dena na ala si soka bar tirkilu fula de ya mario muta so bi wole wo buka keno e ka fo ha e kare mutale cese buka bo jaboto nyaaje men meta prisore politique wala ala mera ni ala be sino la ban adole alone al sita nyame ali alone baro e bara jaw jumaleke alko ka yaaje meleki ale tubabo le sabi ko atol man la alala parce que most of you al kaddi amal ka fo démocratie yaaje me dictateur yaaje me fisa rado yaaje me sur dictateur ni men soso e faade be laari be so kul alquran ka yekale munen dictateur wuli sintole outside force men ke moy bantala molla parce que momo ke la tubabo kan dictateur len wala ka bango tinya amanke bang ide man lay fala man la bala man la kirala foy ko fania di ala men fo annasaro alkane buleno be fo men be fola be fania so alla dino le alla karangole nane tubabu je camera ko kukale munen tubabu ti wis tubabu in tubabu nori wala be yaaje mekitina fo man la nakumo adole alone ale menke barwa di o fanya na ajumala kumba because jana baji ni yankuba baji wala fenko fel wala yaaje me fel kata aji fi kende yankuba sonko parce que baro adion ko beda fata makka abibu sek abibu baro ya ku kuntule akungo be kunturine akango be de dodot de funto sitala bay fiumo kungo ya osamba bo nyulle nyande ka report di president jamen what is going on tenu yewol mutan ko be feñira adol kalo ka siso konkon al batara mal ka foto le election o gagné mal bali dingo ni muso ka fania fa tema dingo balula fania la ndele nga fa man fo fe fo manke baro a dingo balo be la rinda men anin kungo be la rinda manke kilin billahi wallahi la itala ya kungo le kuntu yo sare dile masi bokul wala natol men ka bulani baro no may al si al ya jube sama al te jar la felle la monorimba bari dino le nin dino mo man fu ala dino man kamari ante misil mot wala siata bara misil ma hakan ndemu imamo fi bar imam hakan wala man siya na ko mote di ala de parce que lamin si ko ngala ka alma mol ne bi mina ala ko be mbuloto nako fo manke albe mol fala je hawo tiara alta dawna jalo mun tumale afa bon nanjine so le gambia afa ya kan ya jemel adol fana dibi dala be siri national assembly alo national assembly ala wol sindi dame jumala lo wona ila bila folo kadaje UDP ngol ke dayele fo kasino ka yolo jolo fengo rek ala nyim banko be tinya fani aka ala sal dema ala nyin government ala nyin coalition yi billahi wallahi na la taala na deta man sala iba fole ni ngalonu albe fole na deta ala albe tubi la wandi fengo la alika fani ale dundi alika kumo fo memma soto ale mo be fo jang yaaje me mo le fatin yaaje me bote muso pour mo le nyamba hanke bi yaaje mala darjete baro barakatala abama do ko kala munana abe yaaje mala fadi hay jakla akatele jatu bondia na yaaje mala diamo ka fa ekos ay wulu say be damen to angako ate yaaje me be daud amama tan yawna jina ektora ke kala be wuliya nyalo mbuso men ke yera parce que one thing they believe ilani setan moro hanga dabaro ke yaaje meta singolo la ala be mo bele bare tite mo lor la ite kasi ko kam misil mo le tora ala ma masani so men tam la hadwa di wala imantere do ko dungoni be mo fala cese buka jabato ite mario mutala be mo filindi la be woni di wonsi adole mo jele mo da kes jele ta alka ka yaaje mele siti nane abay alfanjol malla albasi so kan tere ala ke alaji nyim banko ndolle ngal tiya hey lu ndon ko pirpile fa berkilo e fenga ci ba berkil ba dingol ase pirpil nyawon albetula duma ndol go nyim banko ndolle tam because alkalo alkasi so konko ndolle tam banko we occupy the best part so alta almantra fanjala atol tam banko albentol kom we occupy the best part so ngana nyo nene mo jumale sutiala bang mo jumale sutiala gambela ka tambi kasama gabi kane kasama jumale si jumale parce na ko kir alka fidno memala bargo tole wa katara siria ko ha sojaro bende bul police ama security lo abala gogul aiso dunna mena nyaka figi e man ku je folo nde ala me istandila na deta ala wote bayla ibe sila ya fo ni ngalonu the rest of your life you regret it niyo bukata ibuka mankamo nyini ikaniyo kasara kadi nungu fa afana ya kan kuntu billahi wallahi kala ya kan kuntu ya abniya fure jube akan da mal biya be solo dokot ko kortanya ibala ti fambe tamala yelo be bonna yesan bi ka fo ha baro senal ko may mun sise kamel afama ya lon ko aka kuma men fani ala papan kala mul bulu jar o dale ya baten ngo dala tina problem o solo ni sulo la tabe si ala ala sire fani akan bi bango be nyaadi al finti men la ta fonna ko te ndala election gale finti ya alquran o muta wada fani andi musuma la balo dimo bu kam malu kalo kene bato ka jata ya tenela ado se jara fondo ama men se fanga abe ganya no na na talindi yana nyilo ya nakala sida wandi taroka abe findi lekam yo findi lekam ate bayna muk parce que mo le anu etem place ni ya very trouble bi belo la Sirin Jay le fe Sirin Jay political impasse media ndaga jara ni ala o journalist Messe Martin Janfama be Sirin Jay fa do la election gagné le ba ale ba teraka ni Sénégal kafuta ñom Macky Sall albe borim bona albe do la ha ya jeme ne manani ngas adol man ke jatati ko mana man alman celo wilin namra ko andi 19 albe state house attaque mana le abay adol da ko len 15 wala ndenga kudo tay kabira be during nal ya kirmas fo ngal biton lo pak wana ko la min si ko nde ame so-called politician. I'm not a politician, but I'm a freedom fighter, and I stand by the truth. Ndema moriade baranga men foko ko man satala la fasaro nga ala le dali nga ala dunya ni ntodo wala fasaro man soro halba dina anu be ho ala la fo fasaro ko han kabi ngo man soro jon la kantala ala tala la kanto soro to wala hafa barbile ngamne to le ka funu ha ya jeme ka mole bon nan kasam fo dana buka ya jeme ka mole bon nan kasam ka kayti barbiya to may mun si je famu tulu male sita teleto dunia be baje ka abe o sata kam muna forin dala malo nye bubo faniala fa feñ e mawle lo ase mini no nyang to nyala be la ba ye mol men fa be ye mol men sacrifice ba be wutala ya fo one by one one by one biya tele be no la ko tol kam mo bon na jine so kam mo bon na kasama kaka wota skati farmo be mu muna forin da hawlo ne ba fa wo sani amallo ako usen da bole jeneto be kanila wala asika kasam muna forin da hawlo ne ba nko momo e men ke ba sata la wala na nyanta ka fata wonde fen wala imma la fi mola fa la fen wala ha mbara mbuka nyawdo ma ba da jonko o do man wala yewulu foro di mo nyanta borla wala de foro nyanta borla wala foro nyanta borla wala de imma la fi mola kana la fen ta wala na alte soksi la mok UDP ni MPB be ba kilin fa kilin babula julo bula bala bele denta ibe kulun kilin durmeni nyino ibe jika kilin parce que nene mandalar ke susulani sio abe kilin e mun na fa di mon famanke uto moni hakilo tubake fani aboka banku samba ngo bebi jan tuba wo mu criminality wala be yaje mekitina ite me da ele ka fo because wadi mena dingo fada ko yaje mena fa ngai baro ya dingo kenya ma ba fola ama sata nani to altantela audio to ade akros ngamengo men fo amela nyawu nya be fintila wallahi asim yala yaje me akoma len chol siata bara nyaale be la ka fano sidi nga sam sidi jaja be fania fokan afaya juo sorong fa juo sorong you know him dol ngalo ne yolun kunda nyin ka ti jani to le do ko kele you know the type of passing is a ceremonial soldier fa yi ya fam so ali nyina nyunna albe mon mislead la Allah tiarasi e ko dibitele ko asi wallahi alba ko alkalale man sote alkanyin ciow jelal manyillo ale mori ya jeleka ale mori gelle na tika dal dolbe sene banko bur yali be fala halakita han kabi ay mundu wala kala munana baro jumale laftana abi mol bol nan senegal abi carte d'identité dilela abi mol fengana dunia be wala ko mol fo sere leon be lorete ni nan sangole be karana dunia la nadeta ala tabala ibe sira le foy jakali pantanga ma sem ma ide ma people are fed up bare man sikar silon ni lota ka si so konkon so jaro be mbul ite amira ko chain of command makisala lumena so jaro le commando dilela i balanta wolna tuba moro command e man karaw be la ba so munana abeloringe munana population la warta so jaro agara yari amantu ba moro commande ha wedi am sonko e bar wolna ko kirgal ba tala paleto hey ana mari un tarato nyakan fani abuka banko samba ala ma marsandi solamente amla hada badi wala pour nga foyle yakalamta ite man dunia long ha e fa service law equipment on samana ite alone dol fana même private kam yolo ne ba because the concept ya men soro maru ngana moriala ide la moro lo ndela badula la moro fana mawlo alquran mo I will woro le cheme woro ta woro ani woro alqur'ano sura cheme sura tan aninani ite ka du harfu do lon do fanay do alante motade wallahi kanyum ko modi am laabe kan ko mo moy to albe ma nyam men ala bula wala na halama dium nyanta ke hakilo to baake wana EPS alani executive alani fengo jega kafo sanyang bravo on kontanda bakre ye furmo ni haja kiyam be jeelam be tentula alama simala fasi matar ko yabi mol men kam mol nan akawla sika ke al furmo bari nyindo men tenen ala ko be wanyatal ngo nde dawda na fanso lebi so ni be bayla mala e kiafu mo be la ci baro fone ali la mo nyindo
t'en profites de la proximité avec ton pays voisin bi nga xamantene Gambie ak Sénégal ñepp xam nañ ni ay frères et sœurs lañ ñi waji élection
loolu wax la
le pouvoir en place le pouvoir de Adama Barrow ay nitam di ñew au Sénégal di naan ay Sénégalais dañ leen di defal lii dañ leen di jox lii ngir ñëw pour voter ñu loolu lu ñu ñaawlu la rafetul jekkul te loolu mun na jur fitne parce que Gambien yi nee na képp kuy def loolu na jël sa responsabilité ñoom day jël sa responsabilité bu ñu la jàppee lu fa xew rek yooyu nga assumé ko yow yaa ko jël sa bopp parce que ñun bu ñuy def suñu élection ñoom dañoo sore suñu kii ay dégg donc lan moo tax ñoom ñi nekk di waajal seen élection bi ñi naan dañuy jël ay sénégalais te ces sénégalais là ils doivent savoir que c'est des responsables dara waru pour mun a tax ba nga jaay sa ngor wala ba nga nar a indil sa bopp situation loolu nekk na message boo xamante ne dañ ma ko confier su ma ñëwee ci plateau Sen Teranga rafet na ma jàllalee ko interpeller nos autorités pour que bu fekkente ni dégg nañ ma bu baax a baax nañu jël tous les voies et moyens pour contrecarrer loolu c'est les Gambiens qui doivent choisir leur président leur dirigeant et non pas les Sénégalais et la preuve foofu lay daaneel ñun suñu élection présidentielle bi passé Doudou Ka bu mu doon dem Guinée Bissau di utal ay Guinéens carte d'identité pour ñu mën a ñu voter à leur cause nous on a fait face à ces gens-là donc lii mooy sama message bi ma jéggi vraiment am na solo
yo sale amale men na banko tinya sénégalais itol famale bi to lebe lola kaw kumo fo oto mon nyanda ke hakilo tubake mon nyanda ke hakilo tubake mon si hakilo tubake bi to lebe lola kaw kuma sifafo bi sénégalais asalon ko wol tinyata le wana ninga ko men biya mare ala hakilo ala nin to nyindir lande nyamwe hako sinyoya mwenye ke akrutu wotu akrutu wotu bake bi sénégalais fambelo la ko fo dunia be yalon ko baro mol ma la fala so moro le men kana jan duwa ni nola avoy duwe ya fon e kayro sole ila fa ila be ibora da men man ke je fenti man fen keno je ko duwa e duwa malata ko woliyo duwala fe nyini na man ko moriti dabarlante moroti parce que laban bu kanyina dabara meta nyawo aka tinyale na tinyada ka murite kana ka muri ko mo kan wana ka dabarla baja ko mo fambo ka baraka ite ba mala du ko non la foy tama e kala foy ba ma ya du ko le wala ma du ko e kala wol fe o do mo le haklo tu bak o do mo le haklo tu bak kafa to le fe mo fen kala c'est sora le sama bike de la communauté de alale al wolen to nyati Allah mo nyin chola
who were the chief architect of this transition, yet the findings now indict you for presiding over a state-sponsored scandal. It was a calculated move to drain the wealth of the nation under the guise of reform. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Fellow Gambians, respected elders who are the living memory of our pride, and the vibrant youth who hold the keys to our survival. I go by the name Humble. I stand before you today with facts on my tongue. I speak because we are tired of the silence that has gripped our land like a cold fever. We are tired of the cowardice that allows the truth to be buried in the name of political convenience. Most of all, we are tired of watching the legacy of a genuine patriot be dismantled by those who never laid a single brick in the foundation of this nation, all while the world watches in hypocritical silence. Today, I choose to speak the raw truth that cowards fear to whisper. For 22 good years, President Yahya Jammeh sacrificed everything for this republic. While others were content to talk, he acted. While others begged for crumbs from the West, he worked to make us self-reliant. When the powers that now preach democracy turned their backs on us, he stood firm. He stood alone. And he delivered. He gave us free education, built our hospitals, paved our roads, and brought security to our streets. When famine threatened, he did not hide in an conditioned palace. He descended from his high office to till the soil and plant the crops himself. He was a president who sweated with the people, for the people. He served because he believed leadership was a divine responsibility entrusted to him by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He acted not for glory, but because he was a true believer who saw it as his duty to serve his people faithfully. And is this how we repay him? Is this the gratitude of a nation? We allowed the establishment of the Jammeh Commission funded by your hard-earned taxpayer money. It operated from 2017 to 2019, only to produce a legacy of blunders, confusion, and procedural nonsense. I want to say this clearly. In one of my previous audios, long before the National Assembly published their recent report, I predicted this exact betrayal. I want you to listen carefully to what I said back then. Let us play the audio and listen to the truth once again. So, when it comes to the alleged mismanagement of funds, justice must be balanced. If the state believes the former president mismanaged public funds, such claims must be supported by proven facts and formal notification to him. He has the right to defend himself in a court of law. Only the High Court can determine whether actual mismanagement of public funds occurred during his administration. Until then, any accusation remains unproven and cannot be used as the basis for seizing his properties or denying him his rights as a citizen and former head of state. If there was any case of misusing or abusing public funds, the lawful procedure is for the High Court to determine the exact amount involved. Only then can the Commission seize property equal to that amount and return the remaining balance to him. If the funds cannot be recovered immediately, a just and constitutional approach would be to deduct a reasonable portion, 25% to 50%, from the former president's benefits or salary until the public funds are fully reimbursed, and paying him the rest. That is what we call justice. I strongly believe that implementing the recommendations of these commissions as they stand will be an act of injustice, a violation of the 1997 Constitution. Regarding the Jammeh Commission, its actions violated his constitutional rights and his right to private property as a citizen. Property seized and sold at giveaway prices without legal validation is not justice, it is theft under the name of the state. If the government wishes to pursue justice, it must do so lawfully. It cannot use a flawed and incomplete report as the sole basis for criminal proceedings. As you have heard, I warned you. And today, the 324-page report of the National Assembly Special Select Committee, adopted on March 10, 2026, has proven every word I spoke to be a chilling reality. This was never about justice, it was about revenge. It was orchestrated by a cycle of betrayal involving people President Jammeh once trusted people who were rightfully sacked when they chose to loot the nation's assets rather than serve its citizens. Even before the commission could finish, the vultures began to circle. They began selling, looting, and mismanaging assets for their own personal enrichment. I ask, why were these assets sold without giving President Jammeh the opportunity to be heard? Why was he adversely affected without a full hearing? Who authorized this? The reason they cannot provide documentation is that they knew exactly what they were doing. They acted in a lawless, nonsensical manner because they believed President Jammeh would never return to claim his own. assets and private property and threw them into a common pile to be sold off to their friends and families. And today, many Gambians are waiting for answers. But let me tell you clearly, you will not get the answers you are expecting if we continue on this path. Because many of you already believe that all these assets belong to the state. Where did that idea come from? A man who ruled this country for 22 good years, you want to tell me that he has nothing that belongs to him or his family? What kind of thinking is that? What kind of nation are we becoming? If we continue to think in this way, then we will keep waiting for answers, but we will never find them. Because as long as we fail to distinguish between state assets and private assets belonging to President Jammeh, confusion will continue. Let us be very clear on this point. You failed to distinguish between state assets and the private properties of President Jammeh. You had an opportunity to be honest, but you chose to be greedy. You grabbed everything, his personal homes, his family's belongings, his private investments, and you sold them as if they belonged to the state. We demand that the private assets of President Jammeh be restored to him immediately. You cannot hide behind recovery to commit a robbery. I speak directly to the former Minister of Justice. The National Assembly inquiry has indicted you for serious dereliction of duty and systematic violations of the Public Finance Act. You bypassed legal controls to create parallel financial systems. You bypassed legal financial controls and hired private firms like Alpha Capital without competitive bidding, allowing millions in commissions to be paid from the state. You were the chief architect of this transition, yet the findings now indict you for presiding over a state-sponsored scandal. It was a calculated move to drain the wealth of the nation under the guise of reform. We remember well when you stood before the world and claimed that if President Jammeh ever returned to the Gambia, he would be arrested at the airport. We know exactly why you said that now. You didn't say it out of a love for justice. It was about fear. It was the fear of a man who knew his secrets were at risk. You knew you had presided over massive mismanagement and fraud against the former president's assets. You knew the level of looting you had authorized in the dark corners of your office. You wanted to keep President Jammeh away so that your crimes would never come to light. You wanted to ensure the owner never returned to see how the thieves had divided his life's work, piece by piece, asset by asset. You cannot hide behind an international title or a foreign desk. We demand that the former Minister of Justice to be brought back to the Gambia to face justice. You cannot preside over a botched sale of a nation's history and then hide in an international office as if your hands are clean. Come home and face the law you claim to uphold. You left the weight of this shame for others to carry. You left the burden on the backs of the people. But the law has a long arm and a longer memory. Justice does not expire. And let us be strict with the current administration. Let us speak the truth to power without trembling. Barrow, your silence is a national scandal. Your silence is an admission of failure. The report shows that assets were handled through informal, unauthorized practices under your watch. The National Assembly's own report highlights a fragmented, informal, and lawless process of selling assets in the dark. How can a president claim to lead when assets are sold under his watch without proper documentation or public tender? Where is the transparency you promised the people? Where is the accountability? We demand that Barrow be investigated regarding the management and disposal of these assets. No one is above the law, not a minister, not a judge, and certainly not a president. If there was fraudulent concealment of properties, as the committee suggests, then the trail of accountability goes all the way to the top. If you have nothing to hide, then submit to the same scrutiny you forced upon your predecessor. You cannot preside over a national scandal and pretend to be an innocent bystander while the nation's wealth is stripped away. The current Minister of Justice, Dauda Jallow, the committee has exposed your role. The light of truth has found you. The committee has recommended you be reprimanded for validating these unlawful arrangements. Based on the findings of the Special Select Committee, it is only right and proper that you resign immediately. Accountability is found in pole position. Power is a trust. That trust has been broken. You cannot maintain the integrity of that office while overseeing a legacy of economic crimes and fraudulent concealment. And the police must act now. They must act on the recommendations to prosecute every official found responsible for these economic crimes. There must be no sacred cows. Let it be known to the world. President Yahya Jammeh is a Gambian citizen. He is a son of this soil. No person, no commission, and no alliance has the legal authority to stop the Gambian citizen from coming back home to his land. Citizenship is a sovereign, inalienable right. Any attempt to block his peaceful return is a violation of the Constitution and a violation of international law. You cannot stop a son of the soil from returning to his motherland. He will come back to this country, and no power on this earth can stop him. The path must be cleared for his return. To those who say, Gambia has decided, did you decide for a future of debt and dishonesty? Did you decide for a system where your educated lawyers use their degrees to bend the law for personal gain? You formed the coalition in 2016, and today, none of those involved can step aside and pretend innocence. You were part of the decisions that shaped the direction we are seeing now. You are part of the decisions that have weakened our nation and left our doors open to looters. We see the contradiction clearly. It is written on your faces. You claim to reject the man, yet you were the first in line to buy his properties at giveaway prices. You reject his name, but you feast on his wealth like vultures. Many of you benefited from President Jammeh's support for many years, yet today you stand against him without reason. What kind of contradiction is that? To those who bought these assets, do not celebrate. Do not think you have made a smart investment. To anyone who participated in buying these properties at giveaway prices, know this: you have accomplished a criminal act. To buy what has been stolen through fraud and lack of due process makes you an accomplice. You are part of a criminal enterprise, and you will be held accountable just like those who sold them. You are complicit in a legal scandal. We are watching. Every eye is open, and we will make sure the court orders all assets to be returned to their rightful place. Justice will be served. And let me make something very clear to those who think they have benefited from this process. Those of you who bought these assets at giveaway prices, do not celebrate too early. Because what is done in darkness will one day face the light. Every single transaction will be reviewed. Every name will be known. And every hand involved, whether directly or indirectly, will be held accountable before the law. You may think today is your moment, but justice has its own timing. And when it comes, it does not forget. It does not sleep. And I must also express my deep disappointment with many people in this country, both men and women. You go and buy properties knowing fully well that the value of those properties is far greater than what you paid. You know the price is
stealing by trick. I come in for the one stealing by trick. Was I come in Jamutan? Thank you, Oleke. Ami Ben Sura. Kata thank Surata Jane. Ami Ben Sura Ado Maleta Kaki. Fatu Drame, Walla Kasiati. Ikakobe Kayake Manika Gurupoti, Priasi, Nikusenda Boya, Mendiate Yake. Barandela Fanana Kumu Musulu Water, Nadara Ale Bill Walla Tala. I left our Lifola, I'll be two Bela Yamala Family, and telephone of Alasafe Alialand. Lumaka Lumo Jose, Atabala Muk, Suratu Rahman, Atabala Muk. Hey, Albetulunga Mahrusla. Wallahi Azim. Alba for any alone. What a student. Because what more Fadrame. I'm a Bensura Adomale, or Ambeza Kondo Mudranet. Yadi Alcalo Nada and Ajita, the Kala right to supermarket shoppinella. No, I do. Yajimela Family. Sunyale, Masakundala Kurule. But a Baroka Kurosale. As a Mendi, Ajamava Senamen Kamakanya. Fadul Kilwala Kalu Dunia Kakafo, Malaka Kurosorame, Akani Muror Sana, Akafengo Sana, Ha Kamungole Wafi, Akakuleke, a little bit to Malakan, a master. Yajame Botagan, Allo Tagan, Kakuma Befo, Ha Akaboy Musolekan. Yeah, I told Kino Menkalun Kunun. I'll go Yajaman the kids. I told her by the money. China, I told you will Korea. I'll go Yajamaka with Musorka. Mariano, you are in the wrong hand because too far Jalo, alkamenta pour ka use nte signole nalo ko badla signole alta tala be mo dole tala daga ni sato lon dami sato lon wala dina fania amam betia alamala fi toni ndrola because ni men fo ni men ga dem te angala kan because aro man ni gola na da ko revenge parce que yaaje mela kilo nale la tan tapale yakela akal bay akal muta burale bori modalo no flan america ale taje sa media house ha yaaje me ko ndelata kela gor jigeno le yaaje me balanta arka wala ko no tuawdo ajuma kumpa di harfak ni hadi fak wala mtonyati alkalo no ko wala fon bara mun faale alkante to men tinya ten alkalo ka fa akol be findila kam biyalni jama yo foye bayna europe wote duna europe ko teke wala no alani tinyarlante biya be nyaadi ha baro kano baro kanjo baro jato biya kene nyaadi atoni adama bar ma foko fani alwole malole bal janjan wo yudi pin kol wala be npp imo kilin wala babula julo bula bala wala non dela diamu musulu bolti wallahi asiya jemme koma cewol siar cewol kasiya bara nyala fani sila al siyalati allu wala be lungol kono wallahi asini ni cew maman tanan ni gidan ko maman tanan wuri tedawlen la ko barka bulan yulu bena maman tanan wallahi ako assalamu alaikum anyina da banjula 20 second bang anyina da bang fon sam siri sarol ani mama tam e borta radio gambe e point ministers la e konya ha ya mer ko jawro mota bundino la wallahi asim aka tonya nata alngata rek allorta ya al kongo dale al borta Henry Gomez kabriya janna tata aborta adara cena eyu ya si jamela sajul be dama be sikala be sambala wala na la ministre man laban bi mum advice la malon ka ba man ne mum futu han ka biya be ko wala ni hade mandi goje nyalon ko man senya kana dum poti ko do be ki sanke fane amedrame bi maje ko akawle fintindi adima ka adima purake present logumar albalona ala ne man sino banu ko alla fero warta nyawnya masata la fero warta tol albe sonna male parce que almam kulu ale kulu bale ala kidan ale mol nakari fal kala fo ya jemele bunkoro al kayte ni duna be wa yalo atol men ka oke nal bañol nal fañol be futu wala tole ko yo fi palantero kon o den si falle o kana modimi nde wona mo fa mandimi because because what bijan ite hanila iko symbole ko nka ko yalla nene ngawla fo sotiye ha allo taga alew be fo wala aje me senata bakale nga fo ene ko de ko momo jarta makamal ibrahim ala ko nakanta jongolam karanale siara balalo nal man sia alqur'ano bataro bukala ko makaw moy wallahi asim nga ko ha ni bañol ni fañol be fudu wala ka yo fi rokre wana tala yaaje mal ma alfa sur parce que me alfa buña mo melon ko nabe tambala fa fon kalo si lokal ni a batu fa e tambi so ni o ko ma e ka sano bi badin sabe lori sabe fengere ke ko ke dlani so ba o mu kele ti ba ko la min si se ka bakunti e nyame nkoma bande be lori hana da ka ko ni so called politician ndemange bribe mutalati ita mengara court house kana taloke ambe nyakare sambala hot mole alone hu kay fa ndegete long amera bari maje bi ila ko fenta nde bataro bukan challenge nde mo halalo tinde sorto futuole kono bari te bama yak ye kono mandila ye faaye ba kono mandila abota ka tino ja hanni di na date diamu mbe ba ma to fan fola ite selo kantene ite me alon ko man soto sunna farla ite selo ibe ko ikela kulubale ala jante kan a bayt la ka man ni ko ne barka barnamira yalon jama ko jama mira ko ha nimba ma bota kanila ganya ma bokanila katino jana abe canje ma fauna dan ka sama sulo ne wana nga fo ko tela fan sol siata bakke ne bayt lay ma menke moy tela wal siata pour nga fo dawoda mobe kumanila hela mankuto fo hanin defa nga deta bakke la bar nga no ci tinyata le lakatitale ilakatitale ite lakatitale modi de la nura wallahi asi ni wandi kono bay jobusi ni tana de kala nyaat meten ñor nante kan because imaje mariama dubaya bondi ko fenkoro executive ko matal ka addi bare maje hawa sanya ay forum ni hayda ka betata bake wala on kontan da bake wala en sewo bake foro nyanta kanyeleke ye kuno menke si ke ka kudo si kala ke balundi abe ko be kele be fani afala te ko e kalo ko bi ko muy jawti hawa sanya alcool be wole nen mariamo mu gambia min tola bota min tola fa mo fo modi parce que gambia ngani sutele mo me alon ga tinyaro be ke dunia be amo because arabo ni muta ta palala e fan wandi fengota ni soron fo mario men na fengota ni wo ko ayam fudema wo mo sine bula ati alon na men ke dubai ibe o mo e kawta ka bulani fo executive forum ko e ka bula executive forum ko e itele na lo e ko e ka mole samba a fo weta petition nyanta kala wole bulu malik mane menata science APRC then you are up to something how one motive do ko kenola APRC a big party what kenola nyani so you people are up to something what kenola I don't want to man APRC allo mo be APRC tul mo wulu albe lola de be haw la ko tul mo jatol ay mane do ko APRC ale mo récolter ke APRC ka mo jahase hey o dati James Oba nal nata pour APRC pour ko di ñinola ko bantale imenata pour baful president jam ike fanne chatu ela halako o doron be janka bre muta na lo yala no mbata ngadi lela e gara ka fenke ko la mi sisen fenke air force gara na no mbata ka di fenke la citun jeju buani but we don't know lo ya explain everything to me wala lo nde wato nina wato sida be fintilal bare wala foye nde ko conseil bole be mbulu kariya mutale mentuda kariya bula but without knowing dol fanga si foye ka bako ha he na de tala te bolage e ma alalong nkay ma alale long ye jube njelata nkay ko ñunuma alalong nkay te ka wato le batu alala watu kabilo sita o karo sita ngafo mbali mai kaya kontela watu sita mbebola wala na alama la fi toni ndirola Senegal bi ni aje bu kabben hakola ya je metonye bakale o hakote tula mok ite kallo enyim banko be jahase bi mo fabe siarin Gambia banko kan lungolu moda kis you know see the outcome of it ita mole o mario muta baniaje memmeta prison kono rek e men to mi fan yalla Ousainou Bojang e quand même kumala kumofo abama mo signoti asari baji abama ndol signole yundu abama lon bare bi yake ko mo mu UDP ngolati abama ko ndo mo baji la desan ikalo eka mama ako atelem fenkela generaloti Adama Barrow wala nambe madra me wulunga moy ako ha baro ka model tan ko mani baro e mol men fa mo men sacrifice ho siata adi mo fa kenya ya ko kundule barkada afa nyen ka ya sai dai di mo fa ite na da han bindul ke man da wala kabroto baba alkana faniya fasa harama di ibadin to nya fay wanna ni belola isakro tubake ni dunia bantala mule mira ila samala mule mira ila samala fatu drana akara wotu maraji da fen ko rek jane ko akara sopina tiara si fen ko right choice men tam yellon baake hanin be lori ben kumandila right choice ni wotu accent supermarket lem accent supermarkets Walem Adnan Tariq and Son supermarket. Jumal tam Adnan Kanaji and Tariq Musa. The Adnan Kanaji Chewole Mealonko, a Balosoro, a Jamfara Domandin, a Konoflu Wata, Adnan Kanaji. The Molem from Melafan Nabaka, Kasoro Kebak, Naliban Sol. But June 1994, 1995, Kabri Edwards Nadabe vice president. Nala Diablo Ko Cabriya arrest about Aliou Cissé, former director of finance and administration Gamtel. I problem most of the world. Another banko bula. Udumule na tani ka wafi. Tariq Musa na tala siya diala. Atata. I banko bula. Atala Liberia. For Liberia or Sierra Leone. Was the season of water. But rebellion Latin Amursa. Angatel. So Ibije after Tariq Fananata Fenkoni Wafi right action supermarket Wafi ya Wafi Indian Olma they can fire Parakas Indian Ola Yellon action supermarket registration of the to register the company another new company ya Wafi ya change right choice supermarket Prong afale alialo right choice supermarket Nata ya Wafi they own 70%, Tika Motors owns 30%. Saffron men meta ni lula je ba fala ko bayt la men ka dem pe ngalon baake ite fadram e ka shopping ke je baake la wutum alko because wandi fango wala mala balo ta la sa wandi fango la basi ba ma wala mala do ko al camera ko ya enjoy yen kam men faale angala kan wolem de you dance to the tune ga ba no ya nyama na nyama ngonga ngona ha moni khani en no hole ano home nga ya nyama na ngonu ne da barale mori jamale tat ya yemen ba fala le makale le mbaji jela ale vidi brodi ale asamana ja wir geju ben ka jele dawra jale alo ne ka yemen ke wala ka bor ika ni manya men bekere mala fiya jamela para salon ko nyim banko dole tam dole ngal dia we occupy the best part not all time banko why we occupy the best part babal to ni drobla ala man la fala al ka fitno men kurkuru nako crime al balon ko jatol be fu ni la ni na sada mol men ka bulano ma wonte fenti wala ba ma ñol fay man fonkala fofu lew le wol kori di ngol la yal di ngona korto kori di ngol le wol ponde asi ala jube al be karana ale karan sai ko ala ko to mo nyata ko ate kana baro ya pun ka ya me senina sai baro ka be ya me kidin la to mbay mu na foje parce que bi la fani a fental abelo la be wuli afala dunya be albukam malu ceba ko melu hani bulati yo fon ko tale de kalo ko wuli afu fon yana nyaala be nyafar ni hannoro fon tabala ibukam malu fon ka lo ka fani afu e kamere man ko mo solo sa famanke sanu baro ko ala yaje be kitina ko sai mo ne foji ako baro ya sana bit gogul ice dunia akaja dunia nyini na batata ba taro bu keje sanu baro fengere to mondu albelo lal wallahi asim almani cholo bare albe karan ale karan ale karan famanke albalon ka ala nin toñindirlante billahi wallahi ani ite fana bire jamme kata landin jeju anala gurfo ngamo amame be diamla bori koli la ko bala fa warta ate ka yuse assistato atalo yaje men ka abuka korosiro lake wala mala problem that's what is the lack of korosiro abuka ole ko korosiro amanketa wala yalo ni ngaga no ni yaje me do ko kele ngalo uto moni yende ke hakilo tubake samsiri sar abe lola be hawla ako ha yaje me lon yaje ma ala sole ko pasire kabriye ke minisati iko no mote jawra bondira itene mamad sandi CBS itene borda radio gabe ko woleta after sana sabal natal arrest yediten after president nyata ebola i borda to the motherland of America isire je fo halakta fa meta yaje meta taji i witana na taji to president jamme ka apologize what type of person you are ite ka fon dundu e ka fon dandan adul fon albuka fania why do you want to lie either you are a captain in the army you are a company commander president jamme c'est platoon commander he command 32 men where bangota tebe da yelola and you call yourself you are a soldier and you call yourself a soldier after all you joined the army in 1986 president jamme sino in the army president joined force in 1984 after all it's a local faniafo ate fania bulala togi alkapsi social media al nyata la kunu kuma kawara why you are lying kana kallo yeju soron tak yesa wannan ka fo sojaro toujours yesa amanke sojar because sojara ke titela yesa no sa nga falene toujours ala haklu one of these people like they always call media kono ke fight because I have place ni no la masoro barota tala because ala kunu kuma kan wana farmala sise akatara loring ako sidi njay 2016 munekera yemuneke ala election o gagner parce que devant yalon ke irebe sir as challenging MP te manke tel ete jumane telon talendi because usen dabolo do kolem anin sambu janjan ye plak pankota ka dile jumane telon ida wole batandi wala na la sami ye bude fo jokal ba ni silo wala tambela sidi jama la toñal kan wotumo adi harfa election ala batare ale malo fongolete kunna fang be dabe patch la iwa dem place ni lalasi ide ka non kunne ka usenda bo jay bi de ka lo ka nen ide mo sifanyali sama ne baro fana jida be lo la ka kumo fay mo le atol mo interest mo lati ida lon ko be siri wande tarole ka wo be findile kan ida lon ko demon election o gagner talendi jumale telon ite jumale telon talendi bari be da patch kamera ko de mu jatolati baro manden quality pire ite baro lo warjuma baro fa botna futale se fula kesi so konkon what is manding after all mune woti karemu mandi karemu jo o mom em na fasolo ko nyine al mislead kabire usenda bo nominé lumena 1996 nomination ay mune fa ko ngamani kaya fasa the biggest mistake atol nyori din kokol ore man ka ya fasa ma fo nga to nya fasa banku ya fasa ku ke mol aga dam jang forna fa mun na fi aga dam bay fe mun na fi Gambia ya je me free education di la ay street light wala ngoy dem bodi bu ngol urma ni be bon nanje ite mi reta ba ñun e mur wolu a ate boka kelo hani moto le be wole fa halon bo ya je me sacrifice everything for you people ni nyanya ndo jola ni nyala tal ni manke no go area ndo APS ngol strategy pare kelo ko tele gagné ta jela because farmara tamaja fo na manke fo yiti mbewto we read all the elections ayol ale wala kata askabila tata America e ko tele gagné ta ji bar ala dun ne man sino ko debe siru wande hakko ko te manke dibiteti isida wani tarole kan wobe findile balate bana mo men gagneta ala kodo bondi ala campagne ke ite na si wo taro kan bi tebe tita la wala famina ala be sino la si ya jiba be findile kan ko se ko ba jaaju men ke ala force 2017 election awala ke parce que ko jerandi na gagneta inata lo rek inata yele mandi kono no Seku Ba jaaju la gagneta ala Seku Ba jaaju amanke e sitino fu yundumti abota bir kamal amanke kommono dinguti bari bile hakato famoy ala nene mon suto sino itebe fetch la thing itebe regret for the rest of your life uri hakilo tu ida da diamo siata back ida diamo siata back ida ko be fetch la rek Maimouna Cissé who are you after all atole kalo jang ka fania fo ha ya jemel ka mul bon an Casamance ka kayta bi atole kalo ka ofo muneke fori na lewlo na atole ka mul bon na jine bisaw abelo la jan solo sanne manki gambenti fa biya tole belo la ka fo tole ka mol bondi nan Casamance ka mo bonen jine bisaw alka kaytu Gambia kaytu dial ndol bi no yo people ayu al be tapale amen hansay baro han Senegal fa yalone adita alla fero wata altala la fero wata doli magsala planti ya mamen ka ngamen kuma wala be kala na de ala te bayla ala nene man suto sino moy tonya forek wana la haklotu balete dale warta bake e kamera ko ite yo ay lion ite manke lion de ite en place ite fa yalo kamen kuma be fania baro mun kayre sama baro nyin ga baro adingo akumo ana jato ya sare mi al camera ala bal tulaji ala mer ko dis ala sleeping billahi atul ma ala lom ali nyota yelo al sita wala kono al kal si so konkon fania kan al belu la bar ramano bin dunia be yalon ko fania la alman si to nyaka al ba si so konkon ite ko mu halal ite seniatele ite muslimol al bu kamalu fanka loka diamu you only contribute okoma the best part for kam majine kanang tol kan hey ala da sorong ani landin jeju kata bire lani jeju ni me da sorong ni ngela moy be diam la foni ni kumata ibe delal ite kumo membe satande mero ni nya membe ke ibe wuli afola mana e ka bari e ka funyol membe nada wol bebe du ko la tema du ko soro ite kam membe katantema kabiri nga nyininka ila ko nyi fenda kada nyali akonya no mba explain nae aman son ka explain bolle nga communication no stopane ila nini ndeka sile ka kata 2 hours 3 hours telephone suto me banalen kan en continue na virtual ani na salo oto bari on bedana le jam bedana le jam anal badi manen baytla al mawrusa jamaat babil masjid assalamu alaykum